Do you constantly wonder who is checking out your photos and stories on Instagram? Do you want to actually know who is stalking your profile right now? You are not actually alone. In this free video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the only true way to see who viewed your Instagram profile. But first, let's get something straight. Now, if you've tried a third-party app claiming to show you your viewers, I need you to stop that right now. Instagram privacy policy actually makes it impossible for those apps to work, and those apps are actually security risk, and they usually just show you a random follower. So this is actually the real 100% working method. It's actually simple. Instagram stories actually shows you those people that actually viewed your Instagram stories, and this is the closest you can actually get to seeing your active profile visitors. But this is not actually the case. That is the one way you can actually see those people that are actually stalking you on Instagram. So the second way you can actually do this is by using the insightful method. So let's say you go to your profile like this, click on the three line icon at the top right corner, then go ahead and switch your account to a professional account by going to your settings like this. Switch your account to a professional account. This is absolutely free and safe. Now, once this is activated, you will get access to Insightful. So right here, still on your settings like this, go to Insightful. Now, while this is not actually going to give you the names of people that actually viewed or clicked on your profile, it is actually going to give you a crucial metric. The profile visits. If you see a spike in the profile visits after you post, you should actually know that your content is actually driving engagement and people are clicking your profile. So that is another way you'd be able to know when people are actually stalking your profile. So this is what you need to actually note. The names of the profile visits are actually private, but you can see the active story viewers and a detailed visit metric using a professional account. Combining these two methods, you'll be able to have a full picture of people that are actually viewing your Instagram profile. So if this guide helped, do well to like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell for more helpful fix and tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Tell me on the comment section the video you'd like to see.